Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this lecture, that is 6, we are going to discuss about a few topics, that is a family, order and class. Okay, so before we begin our lecture, you can subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon, like, share and comment. Okay, now let's start about our discussion, that is the family. The first topic is the family. So what is meant by family? In the taxonomic categories, we have discussed in the last lesson, we have discussed species and also genus. Now we will discuss about the family. So what is meant by family? So the related genus that are considered known as the families. So are related genes or related genera with still less number of similarities as compared to genus and species. So in the last lesson also we have discussed the species are nothing but these are the fundamental similarities which containing in the organisms. So if the organisms containing the fundamental similarities like all organs like eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, and also different enzymes in the cells and so on, then we can call those organisms as a species. Okay, and these a little bit far related characteristics that is known as genus. So all these related genera are placed under the family. Okay, so in plant families are characterized on the basis of the vegetative and reproductive features. For example, let us take the family Solanaceae. Okay, this is the family Solanaceae. In the family Solanaceae, we can see some genes or some genera. So they are known as Solanum, Petunia, and also Datura. These all are the genera which has a little bit related characteristics. So hence we can keep all these genera under the family known as Solanaceae. Okay, this is about the plants. And if we consider the animals, animal families are characterized based on similarities or based on some similarities and some differences. So example, let us take the family Felidae. Okay, the Felidae, there are few genera, that is Felis and Panthera. So in the Felis and Panthera, in these genera, we have some species. Like if we take the Felis, we have the cats, and also in the genera Panthera, we have some species like lion, tiger, and also leopard. So by this way, if the genera are related together, then we can keep all the genera under families. So each and every family contains related genera, and genera contains fundamental similarities known as fundamental similar organisms known as species. Okay, so this is about the family. Okay, now let us move to another topic, that is known as order. So order means the same thing. So species is over, genus is over, family is over. So here the related individuals of the family are kind of placed in the order. Okay, or you can call it as the, it is defined as the defined based on aggregates of the characteristics or characters. Example, we have the plant and also animal orders. So before that we will discuss about this sentence. Or the order means the group of related individuals. Okay, the group of related individuals of the family is known as order. They have the less characteristics when compared to the genera and also genera that are included in the family. So if you see here, from the species, from species to kingdom, the similarities decreases from the species to kingdom. Okay, so in the same way, as you move from the species to top, in every category like species, genus, family, the similarities are going to decrease. So hence we can call it as a decreasing similarities in the taxonomic categories. Okay, so here also in the same way that the characteristics are going to decrease. So with less number of aggregate characteristics, we are going to keep these organisms in the order. So if you take the order polymonials, in the order polymonials, this order is present in the plants. Okay, order polymonials is in the plants, and in the polymonials we have some families. Okay, those families are known as Convolvulaceae and also Solanaceae. So these are placed under the order polymonials. Okay, these so Convolvulaceae and also Solanaceae, these are the families. And if we take the order Carnivora, the order Carnivora, this Carnivora is nothing but animals. It is an animal order. In the Carnivora, we have some families. They are known as Felidae and also Cancidae. Okay, so Cancidae means this. It is nothing but a dog, and Felidae means a cat. Okay, so So this is about order. And now next is the class. Class means in the class we can keep all orders in the class. So it means these are also related orders, not non-related orders. These are related orders, or you can call it as the category of the related orders. Example, if you take the class Mammalia, means these are the organs which has a mammary glands. Okay, so in the class Mammalia, we have two two orders. Okay, that is Primata and also Carnivora. So this class contains two orders. Okay, the class Mammalia contains two orders. One is the Primata, another is the Carnivora. So in the Primata, we have organisms like monkeys, gorilla, gibbons, and so on. The same way, the carnivora has the tigers, cat, and also dogs. And so this is about the class. So we have discussed up to now. We have discussed about from the up to class, and in the next class we will discuss about the phylum or division. And I hope this lecture is helpful to you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can subscribe to our channel, like, share, and comment. And do not forget to comment, so that with the help of your comment we can increase the content of the quality lectures. Okay, so and we will discuss next topic in the next lesson.